Hey everyone, I'm Pooja. Let's go for a natural glow makeup look without foundation, perfect for anywhere. Moody 7D Hydro Burst Face Mist. Hydrates and refreshes the skin before makeup, so the face looks healthy and not dry. Swiss Beauty Glow Up Strobe Cream. Adds a soft glow from inside the skin. It gives that natural shiny glass skin effect. Sunscreen SPF 50+. Protects the skin from sun damage and tanning. Important, even if you stay indoors sometimes. Primer Gel. Smooths the skin texture and helps makeup stay longer without looking patchy. Color Corrector Concealer is used before concealer to balance different skin tones on the face. Orange Corrector helps hide dark circles and pigmentation around the lips or forehead. Green Corrector cancels redness from pimples or acne. Purple Corrector brightens dull or uneven areas of the skin, especially the forehead. MiniStar Professional Makeup Palette. Use only a small amount of concealer where needed instead of applying full foundation. This keeps the makeup look lightweight and natural. Using a little Vaseline Jelly on the eyebrows for a soft, fluffy brow look. Lightly filling brows with brown keeps them soft, natural. Nude beige or light brown shades give eyeliner. Adds a healthy soft flush to the cheeks for a eyeliner. A thin, simple liner makes eyes look defined but still soft. Mascara. Makes lashes appear longer and fuller, opening up the eyes. Using Mars loose powder only under the eyes instead of the full face for a more natural skin-like finish. Brown color corrector can also be used softly on the sides of the cheeks and along the jawline to create a natural shadow effect. It helps give the face a more defined and slimmer look without heavy contour. Apply a small amount on the sides of the cheekbones and along the jawline, then blend gently for a soft, natural finish. Apply a tiny amount on both sides of the nose and blend softly for a natural finish. Pink blush. Brown color
Adds a
corrector
healthy,
can also
soft
be
flush
used on
to
the
the
sides of
cheeks
the nose
for a
for a
fresh,
soft,
feminine
natural
look.
contour look. It helps make the nose appear more defined and slimmer without heavy makeup. Using Kajal 2 for softly defined eyes and a natural everyday makeup look. Dark brown lip pencil. Defines the lips naturally without a harsh dark outline. Light brown lip crayon. Gives a soft nude lip color that matches the natural makeup vibe. Setting spray. Locks everything in place and keeps makeup fresh and glowy all day. Final result. Soft glowing skin, light coverage, natural eyes, nude lips, and a fresh, elegant cerise ready look. Perfect for college, functions, casual weddings, festivals, or everyday natural glam.